Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to do something a little different and have a little fun with you guys. I am doing just a power hour of my house. I had just got home from work. I wanted to get everything straightened up, so I gave myself 1 hour to get everything done before everyone got home. And I thought it would be fun, instead of listening to a whole lot of music, I would answer 10 facts about myself, just so you guys can get to know me a little bit better. I do eventually want to do a Q&A video. That way you guys can ask me questions and I can go ahead and answer them. But I'm going to tell you 10 facts about myself that maybe you did not know.
I bet you think that I should calm down and that I'm over.
Okay, so the first fact is that I am 35 years old. A lot of people do not believe me whenever I say that I'm 35. They say that I still look like a little kid, but it's true. I'm 35.
Thinking everything about you.
The second thing is that I am actually an introvert, and it's funny because I'm married to a huge extrovert, and we are complete opposites whenever it comes to making friends or having conversations or anything like that. I am always the one that's held back, quiet, and would rather just mix in the crowd. My husband is very much of a standing out in the crowd situation. We'll talk to anybody about anything, and that is just not me.
And that we're good the way we are.
The third thing is I own my own business alongside with my husband. We work together every single day. We do basically everything together, which a lot of people say, how can you do that? I don't know. It's just super easy for us. We are always together, and we are a really good team.
But I don't know that much about you.
The fourth thing is my biggest pet peeve is chewing sounds or crunching sounds. I cannot stand when someone is eating and chewing and crunching. It drives me insane. Okay, really quick before I continue to finish cleaning, I'm just going to vacuum my floor really quick in the kitchen, and then I'm going to head to the living room. But I went to Target today. I had to pick up a few things, so I just thought I'd share. I got this Scrubbing Bubbles Mega Shower Foamer. I have used this in the past, and I really liked it, so I'm going to try it again. This is the Method All-Purpose Cleaner in the scent Lime and Sea Salt. It smells really good. This is what I was just using just a little bit ago. And then I also got some of the heavy-duty degreaser stuff for my stove. I was using that too. I got some glass cleaner. I normally use the spray away glass cleaner, but I just wanted to pick this up too because my kids sometimes use this stuff. And then I got a soap that's yellow, and I went with the Method. I'm going to be doing a certain theme here in my kitchen. I bought some stuff already. It just came in. I'm waiting for some other stuff, and then I'll show you guys what it is. But I'm super excited about it. I think it's going to be really cute. But I got this to go along with that. This is a little hint, maybe. I got this. I didn't really need a sponge, but I got it because what was on it. And then I saw these. These were in the Target dollar spot. I got every color that they had. I got the pink one, the blue one, and then they had these mini ones. So I went ahead and got these two. I have no idea what I'm going to do with those yet, but I'm going to do something with them. I needed some more of the scrubber dot things for my little, my little scrubby thing that has the soap in it. And then I also bought this. I was so excited when I saw this. I wanted this for a long time, and I have it in my Amazon cart, but I went ahead and just got it while I was at Target. And it comes with the extra head. I want to clean my bathroom sink with this because there's like a lip around, like underneath where my granite and my sink meet, and there's all kinds of gunk in there. I think that this is going to work really well for that. And then I bought my kids just a new raft. My daughter already opened hers. She got like a kiwi one. I got that one for my son. And then I wanted to try these erase wipe reuse. So I don't know. I don't know if these are going to be good or not. Honestly, they're probably just like magic erasers, which I have a ton of those. So I'm going to try those. I got some more of the toilet wand things and some more Swiffer duster thingies. But that's basically all I got. I just needed to go there to get some cleaning stuff because I don't know what happened, but I was like completely out of everything that I had before. I guess I need to start with my Grove orders again because I had paused them because I kept getting so many of them that I didn't have room or space. So this is just the mini haul that I had in case you guys are interested. Now I'm going to go ahead and get back to cleaning these floors because I'm just going to vacuum them really quick. Just do a simple vacuum and move on. Okay, so the fifth thing is probably a no-brainer if you've paid attention at all. My favorite color is pink.
Know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started.
Number 6 is my favorite all-time place to be is on my boat with my family in the summertime. We love going on our boat. That is one of the things that all of us do, and everybody is in a good mood every single time we go.
So if this is the end now, baby, no.
Okay, number 7 is my very favorite TV show since I was little, is Roseanne, and it still is today.
That I gave him my all. I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us. Please don't give up on me.
Okay, so number 8 is I have never, ever flown on an airplane. Never. I was always too scared. I do eventually want to go. I want to go on a vacation, just me and my husband. We never really got a honeymoon, and that is one of my dreams, to go somewhere that we have never been, like the Bahamas or something like that. But I have never flown on a plane.
Please give me a try. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the
Okay, so number 9 is that I actually really do enjoy cleaning. It is literally so relaxing to me, and I love the satisfaction of everything being clean and orderly and tidy whenever it's all over with. I've always been like this since I was little bitty. My room was always the nice organized room. My sister was always the messy one. I loved cleaning for my mom. It's just something that I've always liked to do, so it's no surprise that I like to do this kind of stuff.
best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the
Okay, and number 10 is just kind of like something that I don't know, it's like a goal. It's not really it is a fact about me because I talk about it constantly, but my number 10 is I dream of living on the beach in Florida. That is something that I've always wanted to do, and the older I get, the more I talk about it. So hopefully in the near future, I'll be able to do that, but that is literally my ultimate goal. No matter if I'm 40 or 70, I'm going to make it there sometime. Somehow, some way, that's where I want to be.
walking to your place, I'm shaking. I am picturing the words in my mind. I cannot stand losing you. No, I will fight. 'Cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us. Please don't give up on me. At least give me a try.
Well, guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed this. I did things a little differently. I hope that it was kind of fun to hear some things about me that maybe you did or did not know. I just wanted to mix things up a little bit. This is a super short video, but I wanted to do that on purpose because I just wanted to power through. There was no way I was going to be able to film a full video like I normally do. Work has been super crazy this week, so I really hope you guys understand that you're not getting like tons of cleaning motivation, but I wanted to give you a little bit of something. This is what I normally do throughout the week, and I wanted to mix it up a little bit. Instead of a whole lot of music, I wanted just to, for you guys to get to know me a little bit more, and maybe you can ask me some questions in the comments that, maybe I can answer in a future video, or we can actually do a Q&A kind of style to where you can ask me questions and I'll just go through and I'll just answer each one. I don't know. I feel like I have a few more subscribers now, so maybe some of you know more about me. You've been following me for a while, and some of you don't know anything about me, so I just thought it would be super fun. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already and you want to, hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification so you never miss out on any of my uploads. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.